Hello everyone. So let's get started the another lecture of the paleontology series of Gastropoda part 2. So guys, previous lecture we already saw the external part of the gastropoda cell where we discuss about the conch, apex, protoconch, what is whorl, what is suture. We already discussed these things, okay? So in this lecture we are going to see or we are going to focus the internal part of the gastropod cell. So let's get started this lecture. So here the first topic of today lecture is the spiral angle. So for understanding the spiral angle, you have to know what is spire. See guys, हमने spire already discuss किया है previous lecture में. If you don't know, you just go through that lecture, okay? So this is actually spire, okay? Spire क्या होते हैं हमारे generally all walls of the gastropoda cell except the body wall is called as the spire. So spire से ही हमारा actually form होता है spiral angle. So spiral angle is actually the angle of spire. Okay. So angle of spire कैसे form होगा? Suppose this is the spire. Okay. ये पूरा हमारा क्या है? This is except body wall. Okay. This is the body wall. So last wall, whatever you can say, जिसमें body हमारा survive करता है. That wall is actually known as the body wall. So except this is the all spire. So spiral angle is actually the angle of spire. So इनका जो angle होगा स्पायर का एंगल होगा उसी को स्पाइरल एंगल बोलेंगे. सो हाउ यू ऑब्टेन दिस स्पाइरल एंगल? फॉर ऑब्टेनिंग दिस स्पाइरल एंगल यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ टेंजेंट लाइन. सो दिस टेंजेंट लाइन इज एक्चुअली ड्रॉन this side of spire, okay? Just you can say, so spiral angle is actually obtained by intersection of the tangent line. So this tangent line is actually drawn like this, okay? See, they are actually side by side of this both spire. Spire से attach ही होके एक जो हमारा tangent line drawn होता है, okay? And where these two tangent are actually converse. So that converging area is actually forming a angle. So this angle is actually known as the spiral angle. Easy guys? Okay, let me draw here. So this is whole spire, okay? And this is our body wall. And how spiral angle get? So just either side of the two walls, okay, we draw a tangent line and which make or which converse each other at a point, okay? This point is actually known as the spiral angle. And this tangent line is actually converse toward the apex. And it may be acute, it may be obtuse. These are actually depend upon the condition of the spire. अभी ये spire कैसा है? अगर suppose spire will be like this. And this is our tangent line. Okay, so this is our spiral angle. और अगर spire बहुत elongated हुआ, so spiral angle should be like this. Okay, so they may change. Okay, this is not fixed कि आपको acute ही मिलेगा spiral angle और obtuse ही मिलेगा. Okay, so actually it may be acute, it may be obtuse. This is actually depending upon the condition of the spire, length, एंड स्पायर लॉन्ग है कि हाई है कि शॉर्ट है, डिप्रेस है, इस पे डिपेंड करेगा हमारा स्पाइरल एंगल. सो लेट्स सी द डेफिनेशन व्हिच इज रिटन हियर. The side of a spire converge towards each other near the protoconch. Okay, so this is the protoconch. Okay, protoconch हमारा posterior side होता है और इसको आप apex और tip बोल सकते हो. Okay, so यहाँ पे when two spires are converge towards the protoconch, okay, the angle between two side of the spiral angle. So this is the angle of the spire. So that's why this is known as the spiral angle. So let's see how मेजरमेंट. ओके, ये पर्टिकुलर गैस्ट्रोपोड के सेल को हम मेजरमेंट कैसे करेंगे? वी नो ये स्पायर होता है, बॉडी वॉल होता है. what if someone ask you कि what is the length of the gastropod cell? Okay, so you know this is the apex or posterior side, this is the anterior side. So this whole length is actually the height of the gastropod. So you can say height or length is equal to spire plus body wall, राइट? ये हमारा यहाँ से स्पायर हो गया, यहाँ से बॉडी वॉल हो गया. सो बोथ टुगेदर इज नोन एज द height of the gastropod cell or you can say the length of the cell. And you can see this is the maximum width. Width means जिसका cell का overall thickness is maximum here. Okay, so this is the maximum width of the gastropod cell. And you can see this is the aperture, the length of aperture from here दिस इज द एंटीरियर एंड, दिस इज द पोस्टीरियर एंड. सो यहाँ से हमारा पूरा अपर्चर का लेंथ हुआ. So our next topic is the operculum. For understanding the operculum, you have to know what is aperture. So see everyone, this is the aperture. So aperture is the wide opening end of the gastropoda cell at the anterior side. Okay, so this is the posterior side and this is the anterior side. Gastropoda cell at the anterior side is actually known as the aperture. When this aperture is closed or covered by a calcareous plate, that calcareous plate is known as the operculum. Okay, so operculum is basically a Latin word which means cover, covering. Okay, so ये क्या cover कर रहा है? This is basically closing the aperture of the gastropoda cell. An operculum which may remains attached to the dorsal part of the posterior end of the foot. For the example, Litorina. So in this image you can see this is the operculum, okay, which is, and this is the Litorina and this is also the operculum which is calcareous plate जो close कर रहा है हमारा aperture को, right? जब organism रहता है इस पूरे body cell में रहता है, body इस body wall में जब organism रहता है तो it may be closed, okay? But generally this operculum is not preserved because this is actually closed by the muscles, okay? ये closed muscle and muscle you guys know कि this is the decay or decompose during the fossilization period. Okay, so that's why this is not preserved sometimes. So बहुत rare case में आपको operculum preserve देखेंगे but they are actually rare. So you can see यहाँ पे कोई operculum plate नहीं है. Okay, and this is the one, these all are calcareous operculum plate. So here are two terminology, columella and umbilicus, which is very important, right? इससे almost बहुत सारे questions already पूछे गए हैं. So columella is the rod-like structure along the axis of coiling formed due to fusion of inner wall. Okay, so this is important. Fusion of what? Fusion of generally inner wall. So let's see here in this image you can see this is the cell of the gastropod and here you can see that area is actually broken और ये broken किया गया है so that you can see the internal structure or columella, right? So you can see this is actually a forming a rod-like structure and this rod-like structure is actually formed because of the coalescence you can say or because of fusion of the inner wall. ये हमने देखा कि वॉल क्या है 360 डिग्री पे जो भी हमारा सेल है गैस्ट्रोपोडा सेल का है वो रोटेट कर रहा है. ओके, सो अगर वो रोटेट करेगा सपोज अगर एक हमने अभी सपोज दिस इज द गैस्ट्रोपोडा सेल, ओके, which is do not showing any coiling. okay, ये कोई coiling नहीं है. say for example पटीला और इसको पटीली फॉर्म बोलते हैं which is having no coiling. okay, अब इसमें कोई coiling नहीं है. अगर सपोज इसमें coiling होगी तो ये ट्विस्ट करेगा, राइट? ये वॉल्स में कन्वर्ट होंगे. so they are twisting the cell. okay, so ये हमारा जब ट्विस्ट करेगा जो अंदर का वॉल है which is known as the inner wall वो अगर फ्यूज करेंगे so here you get a solid pillar rod like structure. okay, so this is here you can get solid pillar or you can say also rod like structure. okay, which is actually extending from the apex. this is apex and this is the base. so ये हमारा extend करेगा which is you can say the axial pillar is actually extending from the apex to the base. so this whole rod is actually known as the columella. ये फीचर हमको कोनी स्पाइरल सेल में देखने को मिलेगा. so what is कोनी स्पाइरल सेल? जो कोन लाइक गैस्ट्रोपोडा सेल है वो ट्विस्ट करेगा जो अभी हमने इस इमेज में देखा. बिकॉज ऑफ जस्ट ट्विस्टिंग or whirling the gastropoda cell they form like this structure. okay, different spire है and last वाला हमारा body wall है and here aperture. okay, so just because of cony spiral or you can also say helically spiral. okay, or helically coiling. so just because of coiling you can see there is the fusion, there is the coalescence of the inner wall. जब inner wall जब fuse करेगा तो they make a solid rod like structure which is occur at the central of the gastropoda cell. okay, so this is all about the columella. so हमने देखा कि columella क्या है? solid है. So that's why अगर किसी भी गैस्ट्रोपोडा सेल में अगर columella is there, so that gastropod cell is known as the imperforated. Imperforated means there is no porous or there is no porosity. Okay, कोई पोरोसिटी नहीं है बिकॉज वो सॉलिड रॉड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, राइट. से फॉर एग्जांपल टोरिटेला एंड म्यूरेक्स, these two are the example which is having a columella rod like structure. Okay, so here you can see one more terminology is the columnar lip. So generally columnar lip क्या होता है? So here you can see the inner lip aperture is actually divided into two. This is the outer lip and this is actually the inner lip, right? So columnar lip is actually the part of inner lip of aperture adjoining to the columella, that is actually known as the columnar lip. Adjacent hoga columella se, so that is actually known as the columnar lip. And you can see here this is the fold like structure, right? Just because of twisting, so they are resemble like a fold, so that is actually known as the columnar fold. So this is actually totally opposite case. In umbilicus, here also a forming a structure, okay, just because of inner wall. But here the difference is that कि यहाँ पे आपको fusion of inner wall है, but in the case of umbilicus, so there is the no fusion of the inner wall. Okay, यहाँ पे inner wall fuse नहीं करेगा. What happened when this gastropoda is going to be coiled? Okay, they are showing coni spiral. So अगर ये coil करेगा, this is the our gastropoda, okay, and this is our the last chamber, here the aperture. So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पे twisting हो रहा है, whirling action हो रहा है, but here the inner wall is actually not fused together. So just because of not fusing the inner wall, they are forming a tube like structure. Okay, ये बिल्कुल tube like structure होगा. So this is called as the umbilicus. Okay, just because there is no fusion of the inner wall, there is no coalescence of the inner wall, so this tube is actually hollow tube. So that's a different, this is the hollow tube in nature. Okay, and this is the solid rod like structure, just like a pillar. Okay, so that's a different. So let's see the definition of umbilicus. Umbilicus is actually the inner part of the cell do not fuse with the inner wall and form as a hollow tube like features which open at the base. ओके, सो ये बिल्कुल आपको बेस पे ओपन दिखेगा बिकॉज ये हॉलो ट्यूब है. अगर आप यहाँ से देखोगे तो दिस इज रिजेंबल लाइक अ हॉलो ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, सो जनरली गाइस जो हम शंख बजाते हैं ना, आपने देखा होगा जब पूजा होती है तो शंख बजाते हैं, so that शंख is actually umbilicus in nature. Okay, they having umbilicus means umbilicus consist कर रहा है, so they are having the hollow tube like structure. That type of gastropoda is known as the perforated or umbilicated. Okay, say for example natica, जो पंडित जी शंख बजाते हैं ना, they generally use umbilicated gastropoda. Okay, so let's see in the another image of the gastropoda cell. Here you can see this is the suture. You guys know what is suture? Suture is just the line of junction between two consecutive walls. Okay, जहाँ पे दो walls meet करेंगे, this is suppose one wall, this is the second wall, जहाँ पे दो walls meet करेंगे, that line of junction is known as the suture. Okay, sometime it may be depressed, sometime it may be raised. Okay, so that area is known as the suture, and walls are these all are the walls which you can say the coiling of the cells 360 degree में जो coil हो जाए, जो turn हो जाए cell को, that will be known as the wall. Okay, and this is all spire and this is the wall. So here you can see this is the R columella, okay, which is rod like structure. ये आपको देखने से भी लग रहा है कि this is not a perforated one. Okay, this is the imperforated in nature. This is the rod like structure, this is the pillar like structure. Here you can see the columnar lip, the part of inner lip which is of the aperture adjoining to the columella, that will be known as the columnar lip. Okay, so here this is the outer lip and this is the central axis. Central axis के along हमारा ये pillar rod like structure मिलेगा. Okay, so guys this is also known as the backbone. क्यों? क्योंकि ये बिल्कुल central axis से है और ये rod like structure है, right? So इसको हम backbone बोलेंगे because ये बिल्कुल central से हमको दिख रहा है from apex to the base. Okay, so that's why this is known as the backbone. So here you can see one more terminology, nuclear wall. So what is nuclear wall? Guys, we already talked about the protocons. So protocons is nothing else, this is the nuclear wall. So the initial embryonic part of the gastropoda cell together known as the nuclear wall or also known as the protoconch. Okay, so this is the nuclear wall. You guys know, one complete revolution of the cell along the axis is known as the wall. Body wall, the last chamber, a last wall where the body survive, where the animals survive. Aperture, the wide opening of the gastropoda cell is known as the aperture. Okay, हमने operculum देख लिया. Operculum is the calcareous plate. अब यहीं पे calcareous plate होगा जो कि close करेगा aperture को, that will be known as the operculum. So guys, here you can say this is the very beautiful image of the columella. एक्चुअली ये एक्सरे इमेज है, राइट? अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो दीज ऑल 4 इमेज आर एक्चुअली एक्सरे इमेज. हियर यू कैन सी कि जो गैस्ट्रोपोडा का सेल है, जो वॉल है, एक्चुअली कॉलुमला इज द इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द गैस्ट्रोपोडा सेल, राइट? अगर आप एक्सटर्नल सेल को देखोगे तो आपको कॉलुमला नहीं देखेगा अंटिल अगर कहीं से ब्रोकन पार्ट है, ओके, तभी आपको कॉलुमेला दिखेगा. सो हियर दिस इज द एक्सरे इमेज. See, when the inner wall fuse, आपको दिख रहा है, these all are actually different walls. Okay, just because of fusion of the inner walls, it's a form rod like structure. Okay, आपको हर जगह एक rod like structure दिख रहा है, beautiful explained in this diagram.